Welcome to our lesson on essential phrasal verbs. Today, we'll delve into some common expressions with the word come. Let's start with come across. Come across means to encounter or find unexpectedly. Imagine stumbling upon something intriguing, like discovering a hidden gem in a sea of information. It could be stumbling upon a lost item on the street, or even discovering a new passion unexpectedly. Now, let's see come across in action.
Because I haven't come across anyone who's man enough.
Hey, how often do you come across a three-headed dog?
Catch that? Great! Now let's come up with the next phrasal verb. Come up with means to generate or produce something, like conjuring up creative solutions or ideas out of thin air. It's about tapping into your imagination and bringing forth innovation when faced with challenges. You never know what brilliant ideas you might come up with when you put your mind to it. Now, let's see come up with in action.
Agent Orange. I came up with that one.
We're gonna have to come up with some kind of a kick.
Impressive, right? Now, let's come along to our next phrasal verb. Come along means to make progress or advance. It's about moving forward, whether it's in a project, a journey, or personal development. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals and dreams. Remember, it's not about how fast you go, but how far you come along in your journey. Now, let's witness come along in action.
How's your wedding coming along?
How are the mazes coming along?
Great progress. Now, let's come forward to our final phrasal verb. Come forward means to offer help or assistance. It's about taking initiative and contributing to the conversation. Let's see come forward in action.
Please start asking anyone to come forward.
Well, unless someone wants to come forward and say I made it all up, this is how we have to handle it.
Fantastic. Now, it's time for a little quiz to test your understanding. I'll give you a sentence with a missing phrasal verb. Can you fill in the blanks? Let's give it a try. Well done! You've mastered some essential phrasal verbs with come. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them effortlessly in your everyday conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.